You already know your favorite BMW model, and you want it to be individualized? That's the idea behind BMW Individual, supporting you to make your BMW a one-of-a-kind. Let's see how it works. When it comes to the possibilities of the individualization of your BMW, there are hardly any limits. We're focusing on paint finishes, leather upholstery, and interior trims. However, there are several other options to individualize. Now let's have a look at an example of how you can individualize your BMW. For its 25th anniversary celebration, BMW Individual created a unique model. The BMW Individual M760 Li, inspired by Nauter's Swan, one of the most iconic sailing boat yards of the world. On the exterior of this BMW 7 Series, BMW Individual changed, compared to the rest, the paint finish, making a striking first impression. Here, the BMW Individual special paint finish in noble damask red metallic is an eye-catcher. BMW Individual awaits you with more than 100 exclusive paint finishes in the finest shades and colors you can choose from. The pigments and color structures of the collection create a unique sparkling or matte look. Choose your preference or even come up with your own idea. If desired, just put the BMW Individual or any personalized lettering or statement on the rear trim. This feature represents the highest state of design and, of course, your state of mind. There are many possibilities to choose the perfect rims from the Individual collection. Here, even the brake calipers are individualized, in the body color, with the company logo. Not for sale, exclusively made for this car. Some examples of what BMW Individual can do with the interior. First, feel welcomed by your special entry sill. You can personalize it with lettering, or even illumination. Here it is individualized with the company logo. For this one-of-a-kind show car, the cooperating partner, Nauter's Swan, produced some handcrafted elements at their workshop in Western Finland. These include teak panels with joints filled precisely with a fine layer of rubber, comparable to a luxurious yacht deck. Also not for sale, exclusively made for this car. The leather interior. With handcrafted fine-grain merino leather, the finest leather you can get from BMW. Choose from different colors. For noble completion, you can request custom stitching, or like here, embroidered logos on the headrests. Hand-woven piping and contrast stitching, matching the paint finish. The bicolor leather selection, or just as a visual contrast. Feel free to choose your favorite out of different variations. With the BMW Individual M760 Li inspired by Nauter's Swan, BMW Individual even extended the full leather interior with further handcrafted parts in leather, like the seating blinds, A and B pillar, door entry, dashboard side covers, and the board documentation case in fine-grain merino leather. Match your vehicle's headliner to the rest of the car, like here for example in Alcantara Smoke White. There are many options when it comes to the interior trim. You can choose from plenty of fine wood trims, piano finish black, or even come up with your own extravagant ideas. Our designers and exclusive customer advisory will support you in finding your perfect individualization. From the selection of materials and the style of individual craftsmanship applied to them, to design elements created specially for you. Every component item undergoes numerous handmade process steps, all with one aim: to combine perfect details into a BMW that reflects your individual character.
What is the individual? It's the one and a million answers. It's the one standing out. The captivating one. The look that won't let go. And a grasp so tight you wouldn't want to reach out ever again. It's never enough. longing for lust, touching the untouchable, a feeling that rarely men can feel. It's winding endlessly with full force and lets the craft speak for itself. It's alive with every bit, the master of matter. Moving minds, right? Materiality. You can't find anything more real than this. It's the every wish-granting ghost of your fairy tales. It's all the world's. It's the world within you. The only question is, can you conquer it? Take a look. Take a closer look. If you are the prototype, if you are to no one alike, then you are BMW Individual.